Give your children names that will have a positive impact in their life. Don't give your children names that will destroy their future, that will tarnish their image. Because the kind of names that we give to our children these days, it matters a lot and it goes a long way in their life. If you want your children to be successful, give your children a good name. Don't look for a sexy name just because you want to look for a sexy name. You give your children names that are not good for them in their life. Those names that you are giving them have a positive impact to play in their life. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to another vlog of my channel. This is Stella Odudu's vlog. As usual, as you already know, if today is your first time of coming across this channel, don't hesitate to hit on that subscribe button, put on a all, and you will be notified whenever I upload any video. God bless you as you do that. And for my
returning subscriber, God bless you all. I really do appreciate every one of you for always stopping by to watch Stella Odudu's vlog. Much love to you, much love. Kisses from Stella Odudu's vlog as usual. So guys, what I'm talking about, the topic that goes this way: parents,
watch the name you give to your children. Parents, watch the name you give to your children, because these names that we give to our kids goes a long way in their life. It goes a long way in their life. Now on this in this our modern world we have now, the world is so civilized. As we already know, we know the world is so civilized, and a lot of parents are looking for sexy names, romantic names they want to give to their kids. We didn't say sexy name, romantic names are not good for your children. They are good, but look for the names that will make a positive impact in their life. Because it's not just all about sexy romantic names. You have to consider that name that you want to give to that your child first before giving that child the name. You have to search very well and look at the name. Is this name really okay? Is this name really good for this child? Search for the name, look for the name, look for a name that will be good for your child, not just the physical part of it. That is not what we should be looking at. That is not what we should be looking at. If you are looking at the physical part of it, that is where we are going wrong. Names matters a lot in our children's life. The names we give to our kids matters a lot. It matters a whole lot in their life. I will use my name as an example. As you already know, my name is Stella Odudu's vlog. So I always love my name. I love using my name a lot, because sometimes a lot of people will ask, oh, is this really your real name? Are you sure your parents really give you this name? Yes, this is the name my parents gave to me, and I'm so proud of it. I love it so much. You know, I love using my name. Anything I'm doing, I love using my name. That is me. And my name is a blessing to me. I was like thinking, like, in those days, so our parents can actually find a lovely, a blessed, sexy name like this to like give in those days back. I don't really think that it really happens like that, because a lot of people I knew, when they have grown up, they start changing their names. That the names that their oldest parents give to them, they can't bear the name. The name is somehow, because those our parents those days, they give them to their kids then.
that maybe a situation they pass through, they come across during the marriage, during the childbirth, so they use that critical situation to name their children in those days. That is what our parents normally do, you know. So when I find that a lot of people like that, when they grow up, they start changing their name, you know. They say, no, I can't bear that name. Okay, it's so funny names like that, you know. And some of the parents, when they give birth on the road, maybe they would like to like give the child a name related to the road that they give birth to. Oh my God, it's so funny there in those days. And I know of someone that is also bearing that name, you know. It's so funny. I was like, ask, why did they give you this name? Say, because my mom gave birth to me on the street. You know, he didn't even go to the hospital. He just gave birth on the street. That's why, you know, they are giving those names in remarkable moments those days. But now we are in the modern world. Our parents, we mothers now, we need to give names to our children that we make positive impact in their life. You know, and as then I was like thinking, really, my parents can actually give me this name. And I will say, as large as my family, I am the only one bearing this name. Oh my God. And I want you to leave it in the comment section if it's good, because I'm having an opinion now that this is my name, because the name is so special to me and I love it so much. I love this name so much, you know. I would love to give my baby girl this name, Haswe. You know, I love the name so much. So leave it in the comment section if it's okay, because I love the name so much. The name actually, joke apart, the name is a blessing to my life. I was like, oh my God, it's like you actually bring out this name just for my sake, just for my sake, just for my sake. Because sometimes I will see a lot of people bearing my name. I will like ask them, just like the same question some people are also asking me. I will like ask, this name you're bearing, is it your parents that actually give it to you, or when you grow up you just decided to pick out this name and then start bearing the name? Because if I see them, I say, are you sure this name is from birth? Like your parents actually gave you this name? Because I know people that bear this name. Oh my God, they will surely testify of the name. They sure testify of the name. The people that are bearing this name that are not doing well in life is like they are the one that actually find the name for themselves. The name is not from birth. If you actually know someone that has this name from birth, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I can't just say more. I can't just say more, because I'm a testimony of it. I'm a testimony of it, and I thank God so much for giving this name to my parents at then, that they should give me this name, because this name is
a blessing to me. It's a blessing to me. I know how this name is working for me. It's working for me physically, spiritually, financially, in every area of my life I will think of. This name is working perfectly well for me. That's why I say, when you are giving name to your children, watch out the names you give to your children. Don't just give name because the name is sexy, romantic. No. Like, I will take my first son as an example now. When I was giving birth to him then, I didn't just think of a name to give to him. The dad didn't think of a name to give to him. But on that special day of delivery, like on that special day of delivery, as soon as the child just came out, the Holy Spirit just ministered that this child is favor. And immediately the dad walked in, I just mentioned it to the matron on duty there. I just mentioned, I said, this child is favor. Immediately the child just came out. That was what just came out from my mouth. And immediately they just brought it, said, this is your child. Well, I just said, this child is favor. And like, even the matron, all of them, they were like, they haven't seen something like this all their life. Ever since they are in that field. So like, it's a blessing. That day was a great blessing in my life. And immediately the dad walking, he just like, this child, he just thought it out. Somebody that does not even see me. It's immediately, because the child is suffers. He said, this child is really favor. This child is favor. I was like, this name really come. The Holy Spirit ministered it to me. He ministered it to the dad as well, even when we did not agree for the name. That is where this name come about. So, and the name has been working so well, perfectly well for my son. It's working so well for him. In every area of his life, the name is really working for him, because it's a name that came from the Holy Spirit. I didn't just search for the name. I didn't just search for the name. Even when the child is coming, I was like, even in that imagination, I was like, even if it's a girl, because I'm expecting a girl, I say whether a girl or a boy, the child is favor. The child is favor. We just focus on this name issue of a thing. So my first book name, I have two. One is a combination of my name, my first son name, the second one named, and my dad name as well. So a lot of people that always come across that Facebook, they will be thinking, oh, but this is not your name, this is not your name. And so I have a reason for putting those names there. I have a reason for that, because you go for what you actually want. I don't just pick name because people are giving sexy name, people are looking for romantic name. No. I use what actually God has given to me. That is what I go for. So, and I'm so happy and I'm grateful to God for that. So parents, please, I'm begging you, look for a good name to give to your children. It matters a lot. It matters a lot. And my second son as well. Wow, the name is working perfectly well for him. Working perfectly well for him. The way the name you give to children, it matters a lot in their life. It matters a lot. It matters a lot. And the name is working so perfectly well. And that my second child is a child that is like so caring. He has a heart of God. He has a heart of God. The name that you give to children, oh my God, matters a lot. Matters a lot. Same with the first one. In fact, I said, God, when I want to give birth again, keep ministering to me. I just need to hear from you. I just need to hear from you, that name that I will give to my child. I just want to hear it from you, because I don't want, I just want to go and give a name because I'm hearing it, because people are giving it to their children, or because I found it from the net. Or no, 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 no. I don't want such names, because I want a name that will come from direct from the Holy Spirit, and that is what I have been doing. So people, my beautiful people out there, always listen when the Holy Spirit always speak to you, okay? Before that child was born, God already knew. He already knew the destiny of that child and the name that he will give to that child as well. Because you as a parent, you don't listen. You don't listen. That's why you are doing your own thing. You see tomorrow that your child will become something else. You cry out, you start complaining. You alone as a parent, you contributed. If the child actually got some out out from 100%, you as a parent, you contributed 90% in the child life before the child actually got from the outside. You contributed 90% in your children's life. So let's try as much as possible to make sure we give our children a good name that will work perfectly well for them. That when their future, as they are growing up, their future will be bright. The name will make way for them. I swear. It's very, very good, my beautiful
people. God bless you all. I appreciate every one of you for always stopping by to watch my vlog. Then I'll do this vlog as usual. I love you all. I love you all, my beautiful people. God bless you all. Always come and stop by, watch my video. God will continue to bless you. Share my video. You like, you are just coming, subscribe, and God will bless you. You will never regret coming across this channel. You will never regret it. I love you all. I love you all. Bye-bye. Until we meet again in my next episode. Kisses from Stella. I'll do this vlog. Bye-bye.